Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Lacy Bay Designs. On this tutorials, I'm about to teach you how to use the eyelets plier to create an eyelet in a dress. Okay, so this is my eyelets plier, my 300 pieces of eyelets. Okay, so I'm about to teach you how it's being made or how to use the eyelets plier to create eyelet in a dress. Okay, so as you can see, it's very quality and very heavy. Yes, it creates a hole of 10 mm. Yes, that's medium size, the regular size for all. Okay, so I'll get my eyelet piece and then the ring. Okay, then I'll get my fabric pieces. So what I'll be doing is I'll fold my fabric pieces into 4. So like this and then like this, meaning I'll get 4 folds. Then I'll cut the edge of the fabric. Please, I used the scissors or I cut the edge of the fabric because I'm not having the soldering iron. So soldering iron can be used for creating the holes, not too big. Yes, so I inserted my eyelet pieces into it and then placed it on my eyelet plier like this. Afterwards, I held it together with the fabric and then placed the ring onto it. So I then press it very hard so that it becomes very stable in order not to remove when I lace. Okay, so this is it after pressing the first hole. I'm about to press another hole. So this is it. I folded it into 4 and then cut a small part. Please, the hole shouldn't be too big. It should be very close so that when I put my eyelet pieces into it, it doesn't become loose. So I'm about to try the second one. Okay, I created the hole and then I placed the eyelet into it like what I have done. Okay, so as you can see, I am trying to bring out the eyelet pieces because the hole wasn't too big. And that is how it's supposed to be. So I placed the plier into the eyelet and then placed the ring onto it like this. Okay, then I gave it a hard press. I'll press it very hard so that the eyelet becomes very stable, so that when I'm lacing it doesn't remove. Okay, so as you can see, it's just like using the other type. Okay, so if you are interested in one, just call me for yours. The package comes with eyelet plier, the heavy type, size 10 mm, medium size, and 300 pieces of eyelet. Yes, I also have the green type, that is the heavy type, the bigger size. Okay, that also creates all types of eyelets, whether small, medium, large, big, any size at all. You can also change the dies to be covered bottom dies or pearls beading dies. I also have a video on how to use the bigger eyelet machine, how to use it in creating eyelet holes in a dress. Okay, I'll be leaving my number on the screen, so anyone interested in Ghana can give me a call or WhatsApp me. We can deliver anywhere in Ghana. Thank you all for watching my videos and see you all in our next video. Bye.